What's up, YouTube? It's George again. Just want to do a little video on the dechroming of my taco. So I originally started out with getting covers for all the badges, the Tacoma 4x4 and all those badges here. So I did that on the exterior. The exterior is pretty much done. It wasn't too difficult. You got the V6 badge there. That's pretty much it. And then you got the Tacoma badges out here, and then you got these side marker lights on the mirrors that were dechromed. But that's pretty much it as far as the exterior for dechroming. Pretty simple, not too difficult. The inside, I had to do a little more to the inside as far as trying to get it dechromed. I did this. I got the covers for these chrome handles. I think the brand was AJT off of Amazon. I'll put a link in all these products that I use here. I got these rings for the vents, the air vents. Let me get in here. I got this cover for the steering wheel emblem. I got that. Let's see here, what else? I'm gonna zoom over here. I did this. I couldn't find. This is a manual, so it's kind of hard to find. I think they sell it for the automatics, like a cover for this chrome piece right here. They don't sell one for the manual, so I actually just removed this. I removed that, and then I tried to get the chrome off with super clean. I soaked it for over 24 hours. I sanded it down, did all that, and then I painted it with some rattle cans gray to kind of match some of the gray trim in here, and then I put a couple coats of clear coat on it. So hopefully that'll stay like that. But I figured it gives a little contrast. I didn't want to paint it black because I figured if it was black it might not match and it might look a little weird. So I did it just a little contrast there, because I got gray here on this, and also this. I covered this up with chrome as well. That comes with a little chrome piece. This is from, I think the company's Dubs Hardware. It's off of Amazon. I'll put a link to it. And I got this too. This actually is an aftermarket shift knob from a company called, what is it? I don't know if you can see that. It's not focusing. Focus. It's called Teton Workshop. Sorry about that, but it's a very nice piece. Very good quality. Gives it like a tactical setup look. It looks pretty cool. The only thing I wish is that I wish it was thicker. It's not as thick as I thought it would be. It's got the shift diagram on there, which is kind of cool. It's got these plates that can be removed, I believe, and switched out. This is all metal. I think it was machined out of some type of aluminum alloy. So it's pretty cool. I like it. And it goes well with this. I didn't want this and then have chrome piece there, so I covered that up with chrome. So I think it turned out well. I do have the old TRD shift knob. So if anyone wants it, just let me know in the comments. First come, first serve. I'll send it to you, or I can meet up with you if you're close to me in the Lynchburg, Virginia area. I can meet up with you and just give this to you if you want. It's in very good condition still. Again, it's a OEM piece here, TRD. So yeah, I think it retails for about $100, I think. So, but yeah, if anyone that has a manual that wants it, let me know, and I can either meet up with you or send it to you. If you want me to send it to you, all I ask is you pay for shipping. So, but yeah, I can send that out to any subscriber that wants that. That's pretty much it as far as dechroming. The only piece that I haven't been able to find, well, I guess they do sell it. It's this piece right here, but they sell it with, I think, these pieces, and I don't need all that. This is fine. I don't have any problem with these. It's just this piece is the last piece of chrome, I guess, on the interior. Not a big deal. It's for the 4-wheel drive selector, so whatever. I might just leave it like that, but if anyone knows someone or a company that sells just that piece itself, let me know in the comments, and yeah, I would definitely want to get that covered up. But other than that, that's pretty much it as far as dechroming everything. I guess I'm like 99% done as far as, you know, dechroming everything. One other new thing I got was this camera here on my GoPro, of course, but this is a dash cam. Van True, I think, is the company that makes it. Pretty nice little camera. It's hooked up to my rear view mirror. I use a dongle that I purchased, so I didn't have to have any wires hanging down off the dash. But yeah, it works well. I like it and haven't had any issues. But that's pretty much it for now. Just want to do a quick little video of all the dechroming that I've done on the truck. So until next time, talk to you later. Bye.